custom set in KanjiLab. So on the right we have a KanjiLab site open and we're logged in, and I have some data ready on the left hand side. I've got a spreadsheet with some yoji jukugo, some kanji compounds, with the kanji compound on the left, and then the reading, hiragana reading in the second column, and then in the third column we've got the meaning there. So that's all ready to go. Let's go over to the profile page, and we've got create vocab list here. So we just click that, give it a name, and just copy and paste in our data. I'm going to get 100 items. I think that's a good chunk of vocabulary, and when I get these wrong within the game, those ones are going to come back and I'm going to get more practice with them. If there's 100 items, it's probably going to be a decent interval between seeing them the second time, which is going to make it a good level of challenge. Okay, so we'll just save that. And now we can see that list has been broken down to all of the individual kanji in all the words. Now over here, so just for reference, if I want to find out any of those kanji, I can just click on them and see a flashcard for them. Now I can see that set right here at the end. Yeah, that's where it is. And if anyone else wants to use that, they can just use that export ID code there and just import it into there. So if you have friends or classmates or something who are making lists, you can share them like that. And then when you can see them, yeah, in here, and we will be able to just play that if we just we'll be able to see that at the bottom here. And to play a game with that, we will just click the play button over here. Junbi Bantan. Okay, so if you haven't seen this before, this is how this goes. Junbi Bantan Bantan. I'm not sure about this. Okay. All right, that one's gonna. It shows me what it is, but I still do have to click it to proceed. Ju-Ichiko. 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 Okay, this is a lot of new vocab for me, so it's good. Jiko. Okay, what's the next? Cool. Shokutome. Okay, colorless and transparent. Shokutome. I really like these Jukugo because sometimes you know the component ones, but you don't know the actual word. So it's kind of nice, creative recall process. Kyodofushin. Let's see. No. Okay. Seton. Yeah, okay. No. There we go. Ton. There's ton, maybe this one. Okay, so here we can see I got that one right. I had problems with all the others. it's good. I'll learn new kanji. If I want to look them up here, I can check them out individually. So it's good. For unfamiliar ones, have a look, see some other examples. And you get this automatic practice regime. So they're all starting here at yellow. If you get them right, they go up to the next one. You don't have to practice them again. If you get them wrong, they'll go back down here. So these ones are going to come up. I'll have to get those correct 2 times before they're passed in the green stage. And even after they're at the green stage, if I want to reset them, I can reset them here. So I'll probably do that once I clear the whole set and do them one more time. Okay, so that is how you make a custom set in KanjiLab. Enjoy.